Life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth. Is there anything that's worth more?
I made like 90 in like 3 hours, bro.
This guy told me to come and make food and have a day with him, and then he's eating without.
I'm hungry though, bro.
Dude, I'm hungry too. What time did you wake up?
Like 10.
10?
Yeah.
I got a school at like 8:30 and I didn't eat nothing till then. Yeah, I don't hear no excuse.
Yeah, but I'm moving around, I'm burning calories. I'm burning, you know what I'm saying?
Boy. Wait, let's go to Mo store and buy it.
I just don't want to buy it right now. I just pulled out like 600 for it. So what do we need? We need we have eggs, we got rice.
My first time trying Mills. I heard this shit's done.
That shit. We got green onions, we got garlic, we got sesame oil. I mean, what do you guys use? I usually just use.
So I just use chew sauce that my mom used.
Choose about this one though. I like a different one.
No, I don't use those.
I don't either.
No, I'll show you once I go to my house. Once we go, fried rice.
I don't. There's eggs in there, right?
Of course. Oh damn, it's good. Okay.
That's all. Is it good?
That's good.
It's kind of nice just like when chilling by yourself.
I know. No, I get it. Filling water for me, mom. My mom told me to, so.
Oh, that's your restaurant?
No, just for the house. Anything that my mom says, I do it instantly. No question. No question. Unless it's like stupid. Unless it's stupid. Like I'm like, if my sister can do it, I'm just gonna make my sister do it.
Is Josh still in Appleton?
No, he dipped a long time ago.
Really?
Yeah, like last month.
I was like just texting him. I forgot what I said. Bro, I'm trying to run a Kenji's RSX, bro. That shit is nice.
Drive it?
I'm trying to.
Oh, you're my cameraman. Oh shit.
I don't want to be cameraman. You sound boring as hell.
It does sound boring.
You get to do the fun shit. I just gotta stand here and hold this.
Yep.
That sounds like ass, bro.
You do get paid. Just to hold a camera?
Yeah, $250.
That's funny. Actually, I'm cooking shirtless.
Good?
Nope. I'll make it fit. That's medium. I can fit medium. Do you remember?
I should just get like kind of like a cookie. Do like those cookie streams.
Us? I know, but no one's gonna watch it. We're not like Jason or like any famous. Jason,
Dude, Jason the Bean.
Yep.
Dude, he got so popular, bro.
I know.
He went from like weird to like.
I mean, that's how you get popular. You gotta be
Now-
weird.
Get some green onions in there. And a bowl in there.
That's a bad egg. Damn, it's not even hot yet. Oh shit, cause I didn't put it high. Let's put this for now.
I think that's good. Yeah. I think.
Not like scramble fully, but like no. It's like you want to. I'll show you. This is what my mom taught me to make it taste the egg.
Yeah, I usually cook it for like there's still like egg chunks. You know?
Yeah, egg chunk. That's what I like. Yeah.
That's what I do too.
Always want egg chunks.
Oh, you do the same shit too. I put the rice on the side. Ooh, it's not brown. I hate when the rice gets too good. I might put this on. Put it on.
Are you? There's a button. That button. You gotta press it. Oh shit, it's kind of burnt now. At all. Alright, first time trying my fried rice. Well, what do you think about it? Where you going? Oh, he knocked out.
Yeah.
Just to try it.
That chicken too. That chicken's tender.
Yo,
Oh, dude, it looks so hot.
it is.
I might want to blow on it, yeah.
What do you think? Yeah.
Better than any
What do you think? What thing?
Good protein before your workout too.
Oh shit.